Alright, so 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. Hey queens, hey princesses, it's your girl, Queen Cierra, and I'm back at it again with another freaking video. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you're interested in beauty, fashion, hygiene, girl talk, travel, vlogs, and pick a content. Don't forget to hit my subscribe button right down below so you notify your girl upload with a new video. So I've been busy lately, but I'm sorry. I am back. We're gonna do our last little perfume haul, and then we're gonna move into some beauty content because I have to finish up the box. I got a couple of comments to finish off the box, so I'm gonna finish off the box, and then we're gonna with some beauty content, some hair content, because I'm gonna take your boys out. So if you don't know, this is a little sample kit you can get at Ulta, and we've been trying all the different perfumes. I already did a review of the Juicy Couture, the Prada Paradox, Valentino. So all the perfume reviews I did will be in a playlist. Will be one of the corners below, above, and click on the book, and all of my perfume content will pop up. So we're gonna go through the last, I think the last 3 in here. Okay, and this is Born Dreamer. I feel like I did this because it's like Born. I think I did this already. Let me know if y'all want to review on that, if I didn't do it. I think I did it. Yeah. Okay, first we're going to start off with, this is Jimmy Choo, I Want Choo perfume. And Jimmy Choo is a hit or miss with Jimmy Choo in my book. So this is what the little sample looks like. And we're going to spray, I'm going to see. I'm reading it back, and it's just the ingredients. So. I think it's gonna be very. I'm gonna just spray it in the back of my hand. See what that smells like. Are you gonna come out? Chale. There we go. Alright, now it has settled in. It's a floor, it's a juicy perfume, but the initial notes is something in that initial note where it's just that I don't like it. I think it's pulling. I'm smelling, okay, let me tell you what I smell. Jasmine, peach, vanilla, right? Those are the notes I'm liking. And it's a note when you, it has to be a top note because when I initially spray, it's given, it could be marigold, that's a, girl, I don't know how to pronounce it because you know, I don't like it. I think it's Maribel, girl. So when you initially spray it, it says mandarin juice. I don't smell it because I don't smell citrus. I just smell more powdery. It smells like powder juice. Like I get like a powdery note in the beginning, and then I get the juice. I get the, I won't say it's a juicy pear. It's more of a dehydrated pear, I would say. And then I thought I was getting a little bit of lavender, but it's no lavender in here. I'll put the fragrance notes here. And Jasmine. If Jasmine's done right, I can like her, but most of the time I'm not a fan of Jasmine. So there's Jasmine in here, and I'm not liking it. I wish they would switch places with it. If Jasmine was more of a, not Jasmine, if vanilla was a heart note and Jasmine was a base note. I'm looking up right now, and Jasmine is a heart note. I wish they would have flipped it flip the bass in the heart note, so the jasmine will be like a little more subtle herb. But I just powdered jasmine and then dry peach, and then I get the vanilla. I won't be buying this. Not a fan. Not a fan. Not a fan. Not a fan. But yeah, if you want a Jimmy Choo, get on Amazon currently. Jimmy Choo, I want Choo, and it's only $77, and it's the 1.3 ounce. So one, it'll be linked in the description box below. It's not affiliate, but I just won't be purchasing it. Okay, so next one is, I don't know how to pronounce it, so it's in French, but I think it's aquatic, the Geo, but it translates water. So water de Geo, aquatic de Geo. It's a perfume, and hopefully it's like a very fresh perfume. Cause I really want like a nice clean perfume, like, you know, you get out the shower, you go into bed, you don't want nothing really heavy or sweet. You just want to smell like your skin will better. You know what I mean? Like something very fresh, like you went to the beach or something. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is, you get out the shower, you go in bed, and this is the perfume that I wouldn't even spray on my skin. I'll just spray in the air, walk through. Usually perfumes, you know, I'll spray temples, you know. But this one, I just like want something really light. I just spray it, walk through it, and then that's it. This is giving me a MAC Aquatic. I don't think I have MAC Aquatic. I think I ran through it. But it's giving me MAC Aquatic. And I do like that perfume. I kind of have a look. Hopefully I don't hear that in the video. They make it on the side. But MAC Aquatic pulls a little more from a, I'm trying to remember. I feel like it pulls sweet, a little sweet. But it didn't last on my skin, which I feel like that perfume, now that I'm thinking of this will be definitely, I'm trying to wear, I don't try, but if I do, like, after the shower, I'm going to sleep, I will wear this. Like, this has a place, and I might be purchasing MAC Aquatic again just because of this, because I just might just get this, because this smells so fresh, especially when I'm in the house. Like, I'm just walking around the house and just working, doing things around the house. I'm not going outside, but I want to wear perfume, but I don't want to wear like a traditionally sweet perfume. I want to wear something nice and light and fresh. This, like, I'm working from home, this, and I'm just editing, this is what I will wear around the house. I just destroyed the package, but yeah, this is like, it's really good. It's very light. It's very out my comfort zone, but I have been like loving it. So lemon, lavender, lily, jasmine, matte, musk. Oh my god. Sandalwood, amber. Everything I love. Like, I'm surprised vanilla's down in here, but I could tell. It's just, it's lovely. Like, it's very light. Now, staying power. This is not a perfume that will smack you in the face. This, I will wear this, like I'm saying, around the house. When I'm running I guess a clean day, or I'm going to the gym. This is one of those fragrances I will wear. Personally, for me, I like my scent to linger. I love my scent to punch you in the face. But sometimes I just not in the mood for it, and I just want to get outside. Or I'm going to my appointments maintenance week. You know? Just going to sofa. You know? But yeah, I like it. I really do. I want to get a big bottle of that. So, yeah, that's it for this little quick video. Let me know what y'all want to see next. I hope you baby love this little series I did. Let me know if you want any other series y'all want me to start on my channel. I love you, queen. to the moon and back. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Hello to all my new queens and hello to all my old queens. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my social media platforms at Cierra _Black. And don't forget to follow my business page at Cierra because we're still having a 75% off. So I think I have 2 items left in stock. There are 2 pair of 2 pair of sunglasses left, my man killer shades. So go get them before they're all gone. I love you, queens to the moon and back. So thank you for all the love and support, and I will see you in the next video.